Okay, a birch, two stems, growing some mushroom also there, so we can be quite sure there is rotten felling direction there, and it's leading in that direction a little bit. So let's see what's going to happen. People are often asking, why are we felling these trees? Here is one reason. There is a kindergarten. There is children moving on the area. Who will take the responsibility if there is a falling branch in the head of a child, or if the whole stem is felling? Because trees are not they don't live forever, so they are not eternal. Is it the right word? One reason we are felling trees: rotten.